So I did a little shopping at Joann Fabrics, and when I was there, I purchased some faux leather, and it is a knit, and this is what it looks like. And I just love it. It's a real sturdy knit, and it's really, really nice. I love it. It was expensive, I have to admit. It was around $25 a yard. I did use a coupon, so I was able to get something off of the price, but it was still more than I've ever spent on any fabric before. But I have some left over. This is the leftovers from, I made something that I'm going to show you, and then this is what's left over. So I'm really happy about that because I have a decent amount to do something else with. So it was worth the price to me. So what I decided to do was, I wasn't sure what I wanted to make, so I jumped on Pinterest to get a little bit of inspiration. So I found these two pictures on Pinterest of these two tops that I thought, oh, those look really nice. So I will show you what those tops look like right here. Okay, so I don't know if you noticed, but in the pictures I put the price of the tops. So the first one was around $270, and the second one was around $500 and something. So I was like, wow, those are awfully pricey. I think I can make the look. So that is what I did. So I used my trusty Simplicity pattern. I love this pattern so much, and I've made it so many times, and this time I made view D, which is the bodysuit with the mock turtleneck. So this is it. This is how it turned out. It has long sleeves, the mock turtleneck, you know, just a regular old bodysuit. I did line the crotch with some remnant that I had left over, and I had never put a zipper in a knit before, let alone an invisible zipper, but I did it, and I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. So yeah, that is it. I just love this. I think it really does look like leather, even though it isn't. And so I am just really, really happy with this make, and I will show you what it looks like on. So that is it. I am so happy that like I said, that I purchased this and that I was able to make the look that I saw on Pinterest, that I was inspired by. So I hope that you feel inspired maybe to create something out of faux leather. And that is all that I have for you today. And before I go, I want to leave you with a love share. So my love share for today is, if you have a song that is playing over and over in your head or in your mind, that is actually called an earworm. So it's a real word, and so I wanted to share that with you because when I learned it, I thought that you might like it as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you the next time.